Twilio is the integrated phone system with the CRM. If you have a Twilio number set up, you can use Twilio to call and send SMS communications to your contacts. If you don't have Twilio set up, you can check out our other tutorials and videos to get started. Let's take a look at how to find and understand any error codes that may appear so you can troubleshoot any Twilio issues that you experience. We'll start by taking a look at where Twilio messages will occur for you to find an error. If an SMS is undeliverable or if an outbound call is not able to be made, the system may notify you with a 5-digit error code, such as 30003 or 21610, for example. Twilio provides a thorough list of all error codes, but it's important to know the gatekeeper making the determination of message deliverability is the recipient or destination phone carrier. So if you're sending to a Verizon phone number or AT&T, etc., that is ultimately how the decision is made. That phone carrier determines if a message is considered spam or phishing, if the number is considered a landline, or if there is some other reason the message cannot be delivered. By knowing the specific error codes, you can troubleshoot the reason for the SMS or call failing. Twilio has a full library of all of their error codes that offer a detailed explanation of each error code, along with possible causes and solutions for each option. We've included a link in the article below with the full list of errors. You can review each particular error you may experience and then determine the appropriate course of action to resolve the issue. Now, where might you find these error codes within the system? Within an individual contact record, in the center column where you can view communication history, you might see a red triangle indicating an error for an outbound SMS or call, and if you hover over it, you will see an error code such as 3006, 30008, or something like that. You can also click into a campaign and click Show Detail to view the successes and failures of a specific campaign event, such as a text message. And in the pop-up window under the Failed tab, you could view the error codes to see what may have happened with those outbound messages. The most common Twilio errors are going to be 21610, which is the destination or recipient number has opted out of messages. This means they've either unsubscribed or replied stop, and they will need to reply start to an SMS in order for this issue to be resolved and you to be able to send messages to that number again. 30003 means there is an unreachable destination handset. This means that the recipient or the number you're trying to contact is currently unable to receive messages. This might mean the phone is powered off, or it's on airplane mode, or it's just out of signal range. 30005 is an unknown destination handset. This means that the number could be off or out of range, it could possibly be a landline, or the number could be not a valid number or not in service. 30006 means the recipient number is unreachable, most likely as a landline. This is similar to the 03 and 05 error codes mentioned previously. 30007 means the message has been filtered. Some phone carriers, like Verizon, AT&T, etc., may flag and filter messages that are considered by those carriers to be spam, phishing, or fraud. The message could be filtered due to a variety of reasons, including what's considered a violation of Twilio's messaging policy or acceptable use policy. The carrier may have their own specific rules as well. And finally, the last of the most common errors are 30008. This is just a generic error code. When a carrier partner, like Verizon or AT&T, notifies Twilio of a generic error to deliver a message without a detailed explanation, the Twilio error will be 30008. This means we can't quite determine what the error is, but an error still did occur. So now you know what some of the most common errors are, how to find them in the system, and where to find the Twilio detailed explanations of tips for troubleshooting and resolving the issues. Hopefully, this will help you be able to resolve any issues that occur with outbound SMS and call communications to your contacts using your Twilio number. You're all set.